We live in a wonderful world. When we open our eyes, we can see that there are some colors like yellow, green, and red. Everything has a different color. However, when we look at metals such as aluminum, tin, and iron, they are all completely different elements, but they all are in this kind of shiny white colors. Why does all these metals look in this kind of white colors? Let's ask this aluminum foil. Hey, aluminum foil.
Hey dude, what's up?
Why are all the metals in the color of white?
Oh, the reason is simple. You know that my body is made of a lot of atoms, and atoms have some interesting properties. For a single atom, the energy level of its electron is quantized, so it can only absorb some specific amount of energy. And different colors of light carries different amount of energy, so a single atom will only absorb a specific color of light. Like a silver atom will absorb red light. So if you cut silver into some nanoparticles, its color will turn from white into red.
Wow, that's so cool!
Yeah, and the reason you are eating a yellow banana is because that the color of banana is come from some small molecules that its energy level is also quantized. Now, when we see a metal, it's usually a very huge structure with a lot of atoms. So the energy level of each atom will then combine together into a continuous energy band, and the electron of each atom will be filling into this energy band. Since the energy level of the electrons at the outer part is continuous, so it can absorb all colors of light. So these colors will then combine together into a color of white. This is the reason why metals look white, because the electron can be at any energy level in the continuous energy band. This is also the reason why metals can conduct electricity. For some elements, the electrons will mostly fill up the outer energy band. So this kind of elements will not be able to absorb some light that are in a higher energy, like blue light. So this kind of metal will look kind of yellow and red, like gold and copper. For some elements that their electron totally fill up the energy band, the electrons will not be able to move freely, and this kind of elements will then be called non-metals.
Okay, I get it. So the reason why these metals look white is because that for these elements, their electrons will not fully fill up the energy band, but they will leave some continuous space so that they can absorb all kinds of light, like red light, green light, and blue light, and they will combine together into the color of white. But how are you so smart? Even smarter than me. You don't even have a brain.
Well, it's because
I am you.